Yo, what is good everyone, and welcome back to a brand new video. I hope every single one of you is having a wonderful day today. Right before we get started, what do you guys think of my shirt? It's supposed to be a guy with a gumball machine head. It's not merch, by the way. It was actually a gift, but I thought it was pretty cool. So thanks a lot to Valdez Vending for sending it out. If some of you have a clothing brand or anything you guys want me and my girlfriend to wear in videos, hit me up on Instagram and show me what you got. But anyways, you guys know we did buy a brand new vending machine 2 days ago. Not 2 days ago, 2 videos ago. Just because the other one was having way too much problems. It was taking people's money and stuff. My phone is actually really lonely right now. I haven't got any phone calls, any complaints, any messages, nothing. But anyways, today is exactly 7 days since we went to go replace that machine. So we are gonna be going back to see exactly how much money we've made in exactly 7 days. Cause back when I had the other machine, the employees didn't really want to use the machine since supposedly it was taking people's money. And also today we are gonna be installing the credit card machine, because last time I went I forgot the drill to make the holes into the machine, so I couldn't install it. But anyways, if you do enjoy the video, drop a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's go make some money. Alright, but anyways, before we go to the other vending machine to try and install the credit card machine, right now we are in a different location. We gotta stock up these machines first. We have a snack machine and a soda machine. We actually went to Sam's, but I didn't record just because we're running a little bit late. Alright, I'm gonna show you guys what we got. So I got a box of chips, we got a few donuts, we got M&Ms, but this is what I bought from Sam's. I got a box of cupcakes, we got some cinnamon rolls, and I also got these. They're basically a cherry Danish. They're pretty good. I got them once and they kind of did good, so I bought them again just because honey buns don't sell good in this location. So I'm gonna replace the honey buns with these. I've actually haven't collected the money from this location in I think 3 weeks, so there should be a lot of money. There should be a fat stack inside, so hopefully we do have a lot of money. Let's go inside and let's get the machine stocked up.
Let's go. Yeah.
No, let's grites.
Oh, I thought they couldn't hear me.
There we go. I got everything ready. Okay, baby, so which machine do you want to fill up? Because you normally do the snack machine, you did the soda machine last time, and you did good. You actually did good.
I know.
So which one do you want to do this time?
Soda machine?
Again?
Yes.
Do you like doing it better or why?
Because with the snack machine, you always make me decide how much to put in there and where to put it in.
What depends?
And
Well, yeah.
the chips, and it's just too much, and I don't want to mess it up, so I'll just do the soda machine.
Don't open the bill acceptor until I check it, okay? Because I want to find out first.
Oh, you want to find out first?
No, like at the same time.
That's not what you said.
So wait for me.
That's not what you said.
Wait for me. Yeah. Alright guys, so look, like I said, we gotta take out the honey buns and replace them with these, because look, even the honey bun, it expired on the 23rd of July. What's today? The 25th? 26th?
25th.
Dang, so this thing is 2 days expired, and I'm gonna be putting in these, so hopefully they do better. Look, every single time I open up the machine, there's always quarters on the floor, and on top of that, I don't know why. Maybe this thing is too small, so whenever the coins drop, they come out through here. You think? Alright, and there we go. We got the whole machine pretty much full. Look at this. It looks so nice. Every single time I put this tray back, I gotta hold the candy down because it's so tall and it gets stuck. Look. See? So I have to like keep going like that.
Push the hair back.
Yeah, push the hair back. Alright, so I'm actually gonna be taking some of this gum for the other machine, because you guys saw the other machine does take gum also, and it doesn't really sell here, so I'm gonna take some over there. Oh, fail. How many do you think we should take? I mean, because there's not a whole lot in there. I have 3.
Well, it's not like they get it from here.
The bag is so full of money, I can barely close it.
Really?
Yeah.
Dang.
Alright guys, let's see, let's check it out. So Coke looks good, good job on the Coke. Dr. Pepper, it's good. White Monster is good. Alright, so far it looks good. So you actually did good. Good job, baby. Are you sleepy, babe? Oh, there is a man. Are you sleepy? The reason why we're actually running late is because somebody didn't want to wake up in the morning. I woke you up like what, 4 times?
You told me I could wake up at 7.
Yeah, and you woke up at like 7:30.
No, I didn't.
I
woke up at 6.
I said we had to leave. We had to leave at 7 so we can be at Sam's at 7:15.
I asked you last night, so I can wake
what
up
time
at
does
7.
Sam's
You're
open?
like,
What
yeah.
time does Sam's open?
Let me talk.
You have never hit me before.
I didn't even hit you. I tapped you.
Alright, but anyways, you guys saw we were done with the first location. We restocked the machines. We collected the money. We actually collected a lot of money. I don't know how much it was. We'll see once we get home. Alright, there we go. We got this side connected. And there we go. So that's pretty much it. This end over here goes into the vending machine and this just goes outside. Alright, before we go inside, let me double check that we do have everything. So we got the drill, we got the drill bits, we got a few down here also, just in case we need a different size. We got the credit card machine, we have the antenna, and I think that should be all.
Keys?
The keys, got the keys. Alright, let's get this machine opened up and... Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the antenna on first. I gotta find the best place to put this in. This goes inside. There's only like this space or like on the right side. But if I put it back there, like whenever I close it, it's gonna hit it also. Like it won't close. No, it doesn't close all the way. I have to make 4 holes right there to install a credit card machine, right? But I gotta make sure whenever I make the holes with the drill, I don't like make a hole into the motherboard or maybe on the side. So whenever I close the door, I gotta make sure I make the holes like more to the right. Alright guys, so look, so far we have 2 holes done. It's taking a long time just because this side over here is actually metal, like thick metal. This over here is just, well, like plastic, right? Yeah. I have to get through 2 layers, the plastic one and then the metal one back here. But we almost got 2 done, 2 more to go, and we should have it done soon. It's also making a whole bunch of mess. Look at all this from the plastic. Alright, and there we go. What do you think? It's kind of, is it crooked or is it just me?
It is.
It is crooked, right? Like this side is lower than this side, but I mean, I guess it's better than nothing. Alright, but now to hook everything up, got the last cable, there we go. Let's turn the machine back on and test it out. Okay, so it finally says insert Visa or present phone, so let me test it out and see if it works. Right, better.
Please choose the desired product.
What should I get? Donuts, cupcakes. Alright, E3. Hope it works, hope it works. Where's Hershey's?
Right there.
Thank you and goodbye.
Ahí viene alguien.
Baby!
Where's my hat? Oh, you're not gonna show me like this. My
Why?
hair's ugly.
You look fine.
No, I don't.
Alright guys, so she's about to leave for work. You look fine.
What?
Wait, so you're actually going to work right now?
Yes, I'm already late.
I gotta count the money by myself then?
Yes.
I guess I'm gonna have to make the outro by myself. Look guys, I was actually editing the video and she brought me this. Or she actually made it, I mean, but it's, oh my god. That's what I get for showing you guys my food.
Hi, baby.
Should I still eat it?
Yeah? Do you not clean the desk?
No.
Cochino.
I'll still eat it. Wait, you actually have 2 uniforms on. You have the uniform to the vending machine company, and then you have your uniform, which I'm not gonna show it because I don't want people to see where you work. Cover it.
I'm not gonna work there anymore, so it doesn't matter.
Oh yeah, you actually, she just quit. She put in her 2 weeks, what, like 2 weeks ago?
Yeah.
Alright, so you guys saw my girlfriend left me. She went to go work, so I had to count all the money by myself. It's actually not that much. Look, that's pretty much all that we made in 7 days just from the snack machine. And I do have all the coins right over here, so now it's time to count it. Okay, hopefully my camera doesn't fall right there. Please don't fall. Alright, and here we go. So these are all the bills from the snack machine. I actually didn't collect the money from the soda machine, so all this money is just from the snack machine alone. I think we might have more coins than bills. We got quite a few coins. It's mostly all quarters. I don't see any dimes or nickels. Oh, 13, 14, 15, 16, $16. I feel like a baller right now. $16 in 7 days. And you won't believe it, exactly $16 in coins as well. So $16 in bills, $16 in coins, for a total of $32 in 7 days from the snack machine alone. Okay, look, I know it's not a ton of money, but you guys saw today we did install the credit card machine, so hopefully with credit card sales we do make maybe double. I'm pretty sure we can hit $50 a week because credit card readers do increase sales. I think before I used to only make like $10 or $15 a week from that machine, so it's what, almost double now. So that's pretty good. But anyways, that's pretty much it for the video. I hope everyone did enjoy. I'm actually pretty tired. I think I woke up at 5. I was supposed to wake up at 5, but I fell back to sleep. I woke up at like 6:30. Once I finally woke up, I got everything ready. I went to Sam's to go buy more drinks, more product. So it's been a pretty long day. But anyways, if there's any other videos y'all want to see, let me know down below in the comment section. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe if you haven't already. Hope everyone has a good day, and I'll see y'all next time. Peace out.